Hello there, this is Lucas Palmeira from Imaginando, and we're back for the DRC tutorials. So first of all, I have to thank you all for answering the survey that we did about these tutorials, and we were really happy to see that loads of you have answered, and we had some great answers and some great suggestions to do for the videos. So on this next series, we will try to focus on the suggestions that you left on the survey. Another thing is that we noticed that you asked for the videos to be longer, and with more sounds. We will try to do that within our possibilities. The thing is that since normally the recording of these sessions happens within 8 hours of work, so within those 8 hours normally I would find the song, prepare the sessions, prepare the live set, find the sounds, and record everything, edit the video, publish the video. So to make the videos longer, it's going to be tough, but we will try and see what we can do. Since the idea of stopping for a little bit was actually to improve the quality of these videos and think better of what direction we want to take in the future. So be ready for some upgrades in these videos in the future. And so now let's get on to our sounds. Today we're gonna do the song Prana from Trentemøller, and we're gonna do a bass sound and a stab. So I'm gonna start by opening a DRC on a default patch like we normally do. Okay, here we have it. I'm gonna start by changing the mode from polyphonic to monophonic. And I'm gonna raise the pre-gain to about here. Now drop the cutoff to here. No, actually, first let's raise the AEG to here and then drop the cutoff to here. Really low. Better. Okay. Resonance at 0. Now on the first envelope generator, we're gonna drop the decay to here. And the sustain to here. Now the release, we drop it a little bit also. And this is the first envelope generator, which controls the amplitude. Now we go to the second one, which controls the filter. And we go to decay, we drop the sustain to 0. And we raise the release a little bit. Okay, we barely can hear it, but now we go to the modulation page of the filter. And what we're going to do is raise the velocity to maximum. This means that the higher the velocity, the higher the cutoff frequency. And we also, yeah, and this should be about it, I think. Okay. Just gonna raise the oscillator 1 to maximum. So now we have a decent signal. And let's go to the second sound. Now what we're gonna do is a stab, opening a DRC on a default patch. Okay, here we have it. And now I'm gonna raise the master to maximum, the pre-gain to about here. Now this envelope generator 2, drop it here. The filter, the cutoff frequency of the filter, I'm gonna drop it a lot to here. And the resonance, I'm gonna raise it a little bit, okay? Like this. Now we go to the first envelope generator, controlling the amplitude, and we drop the decay to about here, sustain to 0, and release. It's okay. Second envelope generator for the filter, and the decay should be okay, the sustain also, but we raise the release to about here. Okay. Now let's give it a little bit of reverb. No, a little bit of amount, now a little bit of decay. And now for a little bit of chorus. Okay. I think something is wrong with this. I think I changed the EG1 to the EG2, so the first, this one should be like this, and the second one should be like this. And I think this should be it. Let's try it and see what we have. So now let's listen while I control the cutoff for the stab. And this is it. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to Imaginando's YouTube channel, and I'm looking forward to see you again next week. Goodbye, guys.